In this video I'm going to show you how to hide apps from app library. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the thing is that you can't hide just one specific app, but you can hide all the apps that you installed by yourself. In able to do that, you need to open up your settings and there hit on screen time. Now there you need to first set screen time passcode. I did that before. If you open screen time first time, you will be able to confirm your identity. You have to enter your Apple ID and password, and after that set screen time passcode. And once you did that, hit on content and privacy restriction, next content restrictions, and there hit on apps. By default it's set to allow. You can hit don't allow and that's it. You can go back and check, and now you see that all the apps that you installed by yourself are now hidden, and also in app library and on the home screen as well. And just default apps are show up now. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.